What is water Pilates? Water Pilates converts mat-based Pilates and reformer Pilates exercises into pool-based mind and body routine. It is similar to traditional Pilates because it works to lengthen the body, strengthen abdominals, deep core, and back strength. It also is helpful for adapting better posture and balance. It is most beneficial for people who are affected by health issues that prevent the use of mats or reformers, such as arthritis, scoliosis, chronic back pain, injuries, or obesity. In most cases, very few pieces of equipment are needed for water Pilates. With water Pilates, water and the body's own muscles provide the resistance necessary to receive a full body workout. The water also allows people to focus on the flow of their motions and gives them a feeling of gracefulness. By feeling fluid and graceful, you can improve your body image, mental outlook, and emotional side. I've noticed many people who refuse to try regular Pilates on the mat are much more comfortable with water version of this workout and are extremely satisfied with the progress they make as well as results they are getting. When Pilates movements are taken into the water, abdominal and oblique muscles can be developed, leading to improved posture and the alleviation of lower back pain. This non-impact type of exercise focuses on strengthening and stretching movements using the resistance of the water. The only truly mandatory piece of equipment for water Pilates is swimming pool and yes, water. But I love to incorporate some equipment and you will love too. We can use a pool noodle to make floating easier, wet gloves to tone the arms and shoulders, kickboards, resistance ankle weights to strengthen the legs. I also enjoy bringing resistance bands on board. Water shoes are not necessary, but some people find that they prevent slipping. Here is why water Pilates is taking the world by storm. These simple but effective workouts really do strengthen your core and allow you to be in the best shape. Taking these exercises into the water increases their effectiveness and will have a huge effect on your workout. Your spine, joints, muscles, the whole body appreciates being decompressed for the duration of the workout. It feels great too. The fact is that everyone tackles water Pilates in a different way, with their own unique spin, and that's fine. It can be hard to know where to begin, I know that, but no worries, I have you covered. I've taken the most essential water and land Pilates exercise for beginners and broke them into little pieces in Water Pilates 1. If you start here, you will learn the proper form and the right execution of each movement. You will be ready for more challenge in no time. Deep Water Pilates 2 is already ready for you. Are you ready to start your journey? Let's go Water Pilates on demand right now. Ciao.